Welcome to Week 10 of the Data Science series on Let's Talk About Data. Today, we dive into how data science works in the real world, powering your movie suggestions, online shopping, and even your music playlists. From Netflix to Amazon to Spotify, let's break it down. Netflix uses advanced collaborative filtering and matrix factorization to recommend what you might like next. They analyze your viewing history, compare it with similar users, and even track how long you watch a show. Key tech: Python, Spark, AWS, implicit feedback models. Amazon leverages predictive analytics to optimize pricing, forecast demand, and personalize your shopping experience. They use customer segmentation, real-time inventory analysis, and A/B testing, all driven by big data. Spotify analyzes audio signals like tempo, energy, and danceability. Combined with collaborative filtering, it powers personalized playlists like Discover Weekly. They even use natural language processing to mine blogs and reviews to discover rising artists. Data in the real world is messy. You face challenges like missing and inconsistent data, scalability and latency issues, bias in data leading to unfair models, ethical concerns around privacy and transparency. Real-world data science isn't just code, it's problem-solving at scale. AI can amplify bias if we're not careful. Models must be auditable and explainable. Data collection should respect user privacy. Fairness and transparency are no longer optional, they're essential. Now that you understand how these companies use data science, let's roll up our sleeves and do what they do. I've picked 3 awesome mini projects you can try at home, using free datasets from Kaggle. Let's start with Netflix. Want to recommend shows like Stranger Things? We'll build a content-based recommender system using show metadata. Load Netflix shows dataset. Combine relevant text fields. TF, IDF vectorization. Compute cosine similarity. Function to get recommendations. Example usage. Now on to Amazon product reviews. We'll use NLP to classify whether a review is positive or negative. Load dataset. Convert score to binary sentiment. text pre-processing and split. Train classifier. Report. Finally, let's decode Spotify. Every time you get a chill vibes or party mix playlist, that's machine learning behind the scenes. Load the dataset. Select numeric audio features. Standardize the features. Reduce dimensions for visualization. Apply k-means clustering. Plot results. These 3 mini projects bring real-world data science to your laptop. They're perfect for your portfolio, and even better, you can build on them to create smarter systems. In week 11, we'll explore how to build your own data science portfolio with real projects and tips to stand out. Hit that like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell so you don't miss it. Drop a comment. Which company's data science inspires you most?